Les Puces French classes for kids. In a forest far, far away live Hoot and Toot, the opposite owls. Your pack comes direct to you in the post. Inside you'll find a bilingual book, lots of worksheets, a progress card and sticker stars, and a fab project to make. Once you have your pack, go online to the members only area and click whatever you'd like to do. The story is a good place to start. You can hear it in English and in French.
Si l'un tourne à gauche, l'autre tourne à droite. Si l'un est en haut, l'autre est en bas.
There's lots of French practice while we help you complete the worksheets and make the project together. And of course, learn our new song with actions.
Tout est bruyant. Tout est silencieux.
Sign up directly on our website. It's only £38 for a 2-month module, and we will have it winging its way to you as soon as possible.